again? Motherfuck me. Come on. I don't want to stop. But come on. Son of a bitch. Yeah, here we go again. My God. I think I'm going frickin' senile, man. I must have frickin' old timers disease coming on or some shit, man. Because I think I've run out of gas about, I don't know how many frickin' times already on this frickin' bike, son of a bitch. Why don't they have a gas gauge that stays on all the frickin' time? Yeah, couldn't have gave me a hair more notice bike right before I passed the gas station. My goodness, man, really. I don't even think I'm going to post this on YouTube because I'm just going to get laughed at. I laugh at me too. Frickin' idiot. So sick of running out of gas and on this son of a bitch. You know, you think a stupid asshole would learn? Oh, hell no. God, no. You know? And it just goes to show this is my life. This is life right here for me. This basically sums up my life. Right here. Getting nowhere fast. Trying like hell. Getting nowhere fast. Running out of gas. Trying to put lawnmowers together for my aunt that don't have all the parts that are put together half-assedly. Just goes with my day. Just goes right along with my day. Bullshit. A bunch of bullshit, man. Oh, this is my life, folks, right here. Struggle. The struggle is real, folks. And yep, I'm an idiot. I don't even know why anybody would sub to my channel, because I'm such a freaking idiot. Oh, maybe that's why. Maybe that's why people sub to my channel. Let's watch the idiot be an idiot. Let's watch him run out of gas again. Yeah. Yeah, I'm used to it. At least I get my exercise when I'm out riding. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Fun. Yep, my life right here. Big clusterfuck. It's my life. One cluster after another. Ah, son of a gun. Yeah, pretty much walked this bike from the next frickin' street over. Cause I'm a jackass. Maybe I should change my channel name to the Jackass or the Fool or the Idiot, or, you know, I can think of a few other names, but I'm trying to keep this family friendly. Yes, Brian, I ran out of gas again. Yes, Captain Jerk, I ran out of gas again. And all my other great subscribers. Son of a bitch. Some bullshit. I'm gonna get some freaking gas. Have a good day.